Today, the 9th of February 2021, FII bought for 1,301 crores and DII sold for minus 1,756 crores. In past 5 days, FII bought for 9,097 crores and DII sold for minus 4,848 crores. This month, February/2021, FII bought for 16,772 crores and DII sold for minus 6,974 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,53,832 crores and DII sold for minus 1,21,875 crores. 3 years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.